Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to clear cookies on iOS 26. So as you guys see, I already have it and I'm going to show you how to do it. So first thing that you need to do, just go into settings and then go in to this scroll down to the apps, go to Safari, search for Safari. Let me see. Yes. I would just search for it that ways, and then scroll down. Click Clear History and Website Data, and if you clear it, that will mean it clears all the cookies and all the other data on the website. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.